Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2022 Titas. This is Jenny, and we got Philip.
Hello.
So here we are in Shinkong. Philip, what's the new for this year?
Well, today I will talk to you about our flagship eco-responsible product, the Infinity Shirt project. So follow me.
Yeah, go. So Philip, first question, what is ISP?
Well, ISP is a standard for manufacturing 100% recyclable apparel made from recycled material. There is zero waste in the product's life cycle, and the process can be repeated over and over, forming a closed-loop circular system.
Wow.
Essentially, it's a garment-to-garment recycling system.
But why? Why ISP is necessary?
Well then, let me show you.
So here is the answer.
Yes, ISP is necessary because it's been designed to tackle one of fashion industry's most serious problems,
Yes.
textile waste and its environmental impact.
So what is the problem right now?
Well, the fashion industry is the second largest polluter in the world, thanks to the wasteful consumption model of fast fashion. According to BBC,
Yes.
100 billion garments are made each year. Only 18% are reused or downcycled, that is, recycled into products of lower value.
Oh, but how about another 82%?
Oh, I mean, the 82% they're either buried or burned. So
Okay.
for those that are buried, they can take up to 450 years to decompose. And they pollute soil and underground water. They also produce methane, also potent greenhouse gas.
So what's the environmental impact?
And so for those that are burned,
Yes.
it caused 14 million metric tons of CO2 emissions. That would take planting 244 million trees to offset its greenhouse effect.
Oh, so if you want to save the earth, the ISP is really, really important.
Yes, we can be helpful.
But actually, I know that it's not an easy way. So how can you achieve the garment-to-garment recycling? So what's the process?
Well, let me show you that.
Please.
Well, I wanted to first emphasize the importance of the mono-material principle. The mono-material principle is the idea that every component of a garment is made from the same material.
Oh, is that
So,
possible?
Buttons, zippers, labels, and sewing threads,
Yes.
and so on.
Okay. So here is the process.
Yeah, and so for the first generation of ISP products, it's already made from recycled products, recycled PET bottles. So these clothes are in the hands of our clients
Yes.
or other consumers. At the end of life, they can be collected and shredded into pieces, and then using mechanical and chemical technologies, we synthesize the PET polymer.
Okay.
And from there, we make yarn, we make fabric, we make new garments, and then when we send these garments to our clients or end consumers,
Yes.
the cycle is complete. There is one cycle, and then that cycle can be repeated over and over.
Wow, so that is really garment-to-garment.
Garment to garment recycling.
So I would like to ask, who is your target market?
Oh, anyone who cares about the future of our planet should be interested.
Yes.
I really think. But to scale up the operation and to set up a more systematic recycling system for used garments,
Yes.
we actively work with businesses, nonprofit organizations, and government agencies to ensure the continuous operation of a circular economy.
Right. And it's also like school, you can make their school
Oh,
uniform.
absolutely. So school is a great example.
Yes.
I mean, if you've ever been around kids, you
Yeah.
know, they grow really fast. Right? So from elementary school, middle school to high school,
Yeah.
these kids, they mature physically year over year. They can quickly outgrow the uniforms from the year before, right? So what do you do with the uniforms that are too small?
Okay, send it to my brother.
Well, yes, well, yeah, you can. But what if, there is no more people to send it to, right?
Yeah.
Especially now, we're not having a lot of kids,
Yeah.
right? So your best bet is probably to recycle it.
Yeah.
You recycle old uniforms and then make it into new materials for the
Yeah.
next generation of ISP uniform. And then every year, the kids would have uniforms that fit. They're new, and the cycle can be repeated over and over.
Wow, sounds a perfect solution. So if you want to save the earth, please follow Shinkong.
ISP.